What's up, guys? How are we doing? It is interesting, huh? How the market can control us and kick our asses when it wants to. It is pretty interesting. Let me be the first one to tell you. Hope you guys made money. I know there was a lot of good runners today. Unfortunately, I was in one that I decided to double down on, so that didn't work out for me very well. Again, hopefully you guys made money and, managed to just get out of the crap that was there. Um, but yeah, like I said, I was not so lucky today. I blew out most of my account, which really sucks. I should know better and I should do better. But hey, again, whatever, we live and learn. We do. All right. So we can start looking at some stocks. We'll see what pops up here. If you guys want to chit chat about stuff, you guys let me know. I will do my best to give you my thoughts on it. For you people out on YouTube, here we go. All right. So as you guys can see, here is here's the form the 424B3 filed by QNRX. This was filed back 2 months ago, November 8th, and it's got a lot of information about possibly what's going on with the stock right now, why we're getting screwed, or why I was getting screwed until I got stopped out at 41 cents to hit my loss of about $1,400, which, good God, what a fucking day. What's up, Ingram? Good morning. All right. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good evening, or I don't know what time it is where you're at, but I'm sure it's late evening for some of you. What's up, Dwight? All right. So, let's see. Let's go over this stuff where I've got some comments here. I've gotten some really nice messages from some of you guys. And yeah, some of it is just, I mean, it sucks, but you know what? There's learning lessons in everything. And if you just, if you guys just stay diligent and keep moving forward, I guarantee you everything will be fine and you'll make money in this crazy ass market that we're in right now. Good morning, Mr. Rock. What's up, Daisy? All right. So, again, I'm on YouTube as well right now. I'm trying to, every time I stream, I'm trying to do you know, the YouTube and yeah. All right. Anyways, so let's take a look at whatever stocks you guys want to look at. Here we have a daily on that piece of shit. Can you believe it? Good news and nothing but downward pressure. I think that thing went through something like 60 million shares. It's crazy. It just is insane. All right. So we have both of these screens are going to be the same stock. So let's talk stocks. What stocks would you guys like me to take a look at? DWTX. What a runner. All right, DWTX. Well, you guys know that one was actually called out a while ago. Made some good money on it, but who would have thought that today was the day that it was going to do that? I mean, that is incredible. We were playing with it when it was down here in the $2, $3, $4 range, and it jumped up to 29, 28, then dropped all the way down after doing a double top here. You got one, and you got two right here. Double top, and it came down. Big old sell off right here. People taking profit, I'm assuming. Traded sideways over here. It's still above volume weighted average price. still looks good. What I would look for this stock to do possibly tomorrow, and I'd be very careful with it, be cautious, is it could come right back down to about 1357, which is where your volume weighted average price is on DWTX. And I'll put that up right here. All right, sometimes, guys, when you have a shitty day like I did today, like a lot of you did today, um, and it is hard for me to tell you guys, hey, I did have a shitty day, because you guys are looking for me to, give you a watch list and explain stocks to you and talk about things. And sometimes when I lose my ass like I did today, it's really hard, but I'm still here, and I told you guys I lost money. So, I mean, straightforward with you guys. Here with the good and the bad, not just the good. Stock bull trader one, I lost $1,500 today. I got stopped out on QNRX at 41 cents. I was in at 85. 3,200 shares. Yep, there you go. So you'll have traders that one either give me crap or try to come over and steal my followers. Not saying that's you. Not saying that that's you, Stock Bull Trader One. I'm just saying that that's really what I've been seeing a lot of, is the comments on some of the, and that's why I have blocks and reviews on my comments, because I'll be straightforward with you guys. I'll tell you the truth, and then post a video like the one that I did about losing $1,300, but it wasn't lost until it actually sold me out at 41 cents. What I'm getting at is I'll get comments from people, oh, well, hey, I can teach you how to trade, or that kind of stuff, at whoever's name is. I would never sell my strategy. No, stock bull trader. Hey man, you got to do you, man. That's how it works. That's how it works. That is the business. The business is, hey, if you have a strategy that works, you can either share it or you can keep it to yourself. But in the end, everybody's got a strategy. It's like that saying, everybody's got a game plan until, what? Yeah, everybody's got a game plan until they get punched in the face. Today I got punched in the face. I'm still here, and I'm still going to do the same shit I do every day. Did DWTX surprise me? It surprised me today. Yeah. I mean, I made money on it, yesterday. Um, but yeah, definitely surprised me. Yesterday or the day before. I don't know, one of those days. But yeah. So again, you got to be honest with yourself. You have to. I mean, hey, this is a tough, the stocks, the stock market is a contact sport. What's up, B on YouTube? How you doing? RENB. So DWTX, let's talk about that, because I can talk about my pain all day long. I don't want to though. All right. So DWTX, it dropped below the 200 EMA at 1457, 1452. So what I'm looking for this one to do, possibly in the upcoming day, tomorrow, is to come back to the volume weighted average price 1362. If it does that and does not hold and does not use that as support, then you can see it come all the way back down to about 10 bucks, 1141, and then after that about 1039. If it does break through that 200 EMA, then again you can test that, what is that, 1557 maybe. If it can get through some of these halts. There's a lot of spots in here that look like it wants to stop running or moving. So you have 1498, so 15 bucks. Then you have the 200 EMA, and then you've got 16. And after that, sky's the limit again. But again, I think that this thing just squeezed up, because obviously there's news out there, and I sold DXTX early. Okay. Lisa, if you made profit, you didn't sell early. That's all that matters. It just doesn't. Everything else is whatever. TEM. Paul asked for TEM. B asked for RENB. Let's look at TEM first. All right, so TEM, nice pattern trading to the upside. A little bit of a channel there. If you just draw yourself some shitty lines, they don't have to be perfect. Just draw yourself some shitty lines here. Okay, you've got what looks like a rising wedge here. So be careful. Rising wedge usually ends up looking something like that. All right, so you got your wedge, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then it breaks through. It could work that way, or it could break through and go back up to about $56. Right now it's at 54. This is TEM. All right, let's look at RENB. Here's RENB. RENB had a decent little run here. Again, looks bullish, right? If you just draw yourself a little trend line or just look at your indicators, it's bullish. It is trading in somewhat of a pattern, somewhat of a bullish pattern here. So get that out of there. So right here, you've got a little dip down here, a little double bottom, and then continue to move up above volume weighted average price now, came back down to it, bounced right back up. So $1.05, $1.06 right there at the top, broke down, did a little bit of a cup and handle pattern right here, a little bit of a cup and handle pattern, and then continue to move slowly up into after hours. So what I would expect this one to do, and I'm also looking at it on the 4-hour chart right here for you that are on YouTube, which looks like that's you, B. This is RENB, so this is for you. Looks like it's going to have some resistance right about where it's at right now, 108, 110. That's some resistance right there. If it can get through that, you might see 120. And if it can get through that, you'll see 132. Now, if it doesn't, if it breaks down, you'll probably see it back at 101.31. And if it can't hold that and goes back under $1, see, and I'm starting to realize something. It's these under $1 stocks that are really screwing me because, well, what do you need for NASDAQ? Which is what RENB is under. It's under the NASDAQ. A lot of these stocks are trading on the NASDAQ. Well, you need stocks to be over $1 because they are deficient if they are under $1. So what do a lot of these companies like to do? Well, they like to do reverse splits and that kind of nonsense and offerings and it just sucks. So I think I might start trading stocks that are over $1, maybe over $2. To be honest, I think that might be a safer bet. I don't care if I can't buy as many shares, but hey, you know what? $1,500 loss for being stupid like Alvin right here. Blocked, muted. Bye, Alvin. Go say hi to the chipmunks for me. All right. Yeah, see, Daisy says I'm doing better trading stocks over $2. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Stay under $1. I stay away from. Yep. Stocks under $1. That's what I'm starting to see. I was doing pretty good on stocks that were under $1, but hey, you gotta roll with the punches, right? Or you're gonna get your ass kicked, basically. And I got my ass kicked today, so I think I'm overplaying with stocks like that. And it's good to have a good wife in your corner because yeah, I told her I lost $1,500. She said you'll get it back. I go, I know, but it hurts my pride to say that out loud that I lost $1,500. It just ouch, So yeah, so that's it. All right, let me look at comments again here. She's a boss. She is the boss. Yeah, definitely she's the boss. God gave her the parts. I'm just kidding. Uh, am I though? I don't know. Oh man, what a day! What a day! I lost 1,800 on Weeble last week. See, I made good money last week, and I lost money this week. It sucks. Really does suck. But losing is all part of the game, and it's part of learning these stupid things. Like, you know, I mean, everybody could look at the SEC, and everybody can look at filings here. Like, check it out. Everybody can look at this. You can find this stuff. You can look it up on newsfilter.io. It says 1 hour ago. Kunin Pharmaceuticals announces further clinical evidence of QRX003 effectiveness in Netherton syndrome. Okay, cool. 1 week ago. Pretty much same news. Ongoing pediatric Netherton syndrome study. Okay, cool. Right? So all good news. 2 weeks ago. Market View Spotlight Quinnen Dr. Michael Myers as Specialty Pharma shares news of highly positive interim data in most advanced comprehensive Netherton syndrome trials. Okay, cool. 1 month ago, right here, public offering, 6.8 million shares 1 month ago, December 20th. And this is where I saw all the bullshit. Right here, look, 45 cents per share. Series F and G warrants. And Series G warrants will have an exercise price of 45 per share. December 23rd, it's the closing of the offering is expected to occur on or about December 23rd, 2024, subject to the satisfaction of customary closing conditions. Okay. Oh man. Well, I don't see any news about an offering, right? I don't see anything coming out yet, but well, back here a month ago, they do say something about an offering, don't they? Ah. And it's the underwriter is Maxim Group LLC, sole placement agent for the offering. You know what's funny too? Because I also saw a big dick on table here. There's a 13G, but I saw a 13D. Oh, and let's see, where was it? I don't see an effect. That's the problem. There's another 424B3 right here. It's another offering 5 months ago. But yeah, I mean, this is all stuff that's easy to find. You can find this stuff. Now, if you can read through it, sure, that's going to be a little difficult. But I showed you guys. I showed you guys where you can see where this stuff, where the stuff goes. You plug it into you can plug it into Chat GPT and ask it to explain it to you and give you a breakdown and dumb it down for you if you don't understand. And even if it writes something that you still don't understand, you can still say, dumb it down even more. I still don't understand. And it'll give you the information that you want. Dwight, if you lose $30, you'd be scared to tell her. Oh man. What I miss? What did Daisy do? Where is Daisy? What did she do? I see fireballs. I see all that stuff. Where is it? All right. Well, let's see. I got beat on SLXN positive news after hours and after close of a after hours announcement of dilution opens down 250. Yeah. Yeah, there is a lot of crap out there. Yeah, sorry to bring it up, but are you still in QNRX? No, I am definitely not in QNRX anymore. I got stopped at 41 cents, so it cost me a total of $1,500 today. Light, what's the next penny runner? I don't know. I'll look at it a little later when I'm doing my watch list. So we'll see. BBAI for swing play. What's up, Jonathan? BBAI for swing play, huh? We'll see. Let's take a look at BBAI. All right, here is BBAI. So BBAI has consistently been moving up, as you can see. Took a nice big pullback. This is a 4-hour chart, so each one of these little candles here is 4 hours. So it ran nicely from $1.04, $1.40, what is that? $1.55. Ran up nicely, hit $4.50, came back down to 242. Back up to 370s, then 530s, came right back down. What do you see here? Do you guys see the inverted head and shoulder, or I mean the head and shoulder pattern right here? Boom, 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 right? Head and shoulder pattern right here. Spiked a little bit and then came back down to 290. Spiked up again. So what I would do is I would look at this thing and just go, what's it frequent quite a bit? Well, it looks like it frequents the 200 quite a bit. So it didn't quite hit it here, 240, 222. So missed it by 20 cents there, right here. 260, 240, missed it by 20 cents there. Here it surpassed it. Did a little bit of inverted head and shoulder pattern here, over here, and then it ran, right? But what I would expect this thing to do at some point is come back down to the 200 or continue to rip. Maybe this is a big inverted head and shoulder pattern. You never know. What was the news? What was the news? What news does it have? AICO shake up, details, There's a lot of news. They got news coming out all the time, it seems like. BBAI. All right. All right, Leela, HEPA, thoughts for tomorrow or next week? All right. Here is HEPA. What's up, KB? Are you back to doing lives on TikTok in the morning or still using YouTube? I'm doing both, KB. I've got TikTok in my hand right now, and I've got YouTube on right now as well. So that's where you're getting me. You're getting me on YouTube, and I'm literally doing TikTok right now as well. So it's 57 of you guys in here. Jonathan, thank you, Jay. No problem, man. Anytime. HEPA thoughts for tomorrow and next week. Well, HEPA is kind of trading a little sideways here in the after hours, but it ran nicely to 32 cents. The problem with it is trading on the NASDAQ, and it needs to be compliant of $1, right? 122, HEPA Pharmaceutical shares are trading lower after the company announced a $9 million public offering. So that was what, a day ago? Yesterday? They did an offering. So it was trading in a nice